Hello dear viewers, how are you? Hope everyone is well. In this tutorial I gonna show to you no one can write anything except number in your specific range. How to create this restriction in Microsoft Excel. So let's start. You can see in our Excel worksheet a table, and here I type employee ID, name, also region. Okay, now this employee ID range, no one can write anything expected number this range. How to do it? In this purpose, first of all, select this range and go to the data menu, and then go to this data tools, this data validation, this icon. Click this icon. You can see this data validation dialog box. Also, in this purpose, you can use a keyboard shortcut. First of all, select your specific range and press keyboard. Okay. Now you can see data validation, this dialog box. Now go to this settings menu and click this allow this option, and click the custom this options, and select the formula this box. Now type equal to sign is number. Okay, is number, bracket open, and select your selected range first cell. Okay, first cell, our first cell is B3, our reference name is B3. Now close the bracket. Okay, and now click OK. If you type any alphabet letter, like I type Tanvir and hit the enter button, he cannot type anything other than number. Okay, now close this dialog box, and if you type any numerical value, look, it is very nicely typed. So I think everyone is understand how to create this type of restriction in Microsoft Excel. No one can writing anything expected number in your specific range. In this purpose, you will be used in data validation, customs options, is number, this function. So dear viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.